2022 RS6. Came in for a META S5 Deadlock. This is the E-Tec version, so it gives you dual immobilisation, unlike the conventional one which will only kill the engine. This one kills full power to the vehicle. So as you can see, foot on the brake, starting button is here, the key for the vehicle is in the vehicle as well. So if we start the car, we get no luck here. Now what we have as well is we have the ability for the tags on the E-Tec. Now this is put on button press, so if you press the button, we wait for the random flashes, as you can see. Now we can start the vehicle up. So foot on the brake, start the car, and the vehicle itself will load up. If you have any problems with this, or if you like anything with this, give us a call